like she's, in my opinion, she's my greatest reggae girl and reggae person of all
Ask the
time.
question again.
So what we are talking about,
Ask the
right?
question
The
again.
football we are
Ask the
talking about.
question again. No?
I say, who me like more, Marlo or Khadija?
Khadija Shaw. If a footballer you talk about.
No, then what else it could have been?
No, because then the question sound dumb now. They just call one the goat, you don't call the other one even close to the goat.
No, but wait. That not because Khadija the goat means Khadija my baller. Marlo can be my baller. I can like how Marlo play the ball more. I can like the position of Marlo play now. I can like how she move the ball from side to side. Between the two of them still no. Out of mind, bro.
I'm Spencer.
Yeah, come join me up on the people them teaching, bro.
They want GK, bro.
They never come join.
Yeah, man,